Hi everyone! Today we're going to solve a classic but very helpful piecewise function problem together. In these types of problems, there's only one rule you need to keep in mind. Identify which interval the number falls into and apply the rule for that specific row. Let's dive right in. First, let's find the value of f of -5. f of -5. As we can see, -5 is less than -3. Therefore, we use the first rule at the top, 3x plus 2. When we plug in -5 for x, 3 times -5 is -15, and adding 2 gives us a final result of -13. Our next value is f of 0, f of 0. Since 0 is between -3 and 1, we'll use the middle rule, which is x cubed. 0 cubed is simply 0. This step was pretty straightforward. Finally, let's look at f of 3, f of 3. Since 3 is greater than or equal to 1, we go to the last rule at the bottom. -2x plus 8. When we substitute 3 for x, -2 times 3 gives us -6, and by adding 8, we get a result of 2. Now let's add all these results together, -13, 0, and 2. When we sum them all up, our final result is -11.